Hello. We're gonna explore in this video something where we're gonna show different capabilities from the black box agent that is available right now, and you can get access to it. We're just gonna set up something right here. Just a second. We'll be sharing the screen. Okay. So here, what we want to show you is what you have directly available by the uh, remote agent. So you have access to it directly from here. Let's take a look at where you can also find some more information on it. Basically, from this point here, you can get a bit more context on what you can do with it. But let's dive right into what the agent is right now doing. So just to give you some details on what the this is 12 minutes ago, this is 18 minutes ago, this is 20 minutes ago, 21, 27, 29. So pretty much you're seeing this space. The reason why this is getting sent this fast is because the agent is doing a pretty fast task implementation. So we're going to take a look. We have this time created, we have the duration, pretty much like under in a minute and a half, doing a full task. So this was done. We gave it another task of making a full navigation of the history by simple up and down arrows. Some interface changes that were about the selection of the sidebar. uh, right now we're giving a task where we want to avoid like something that's happening right now when you actually do it. Yeah, this is a very recent task. Let's take a look at it from here. Yeah, so this took 3 minutes, which typically an engineer would have taken approximately like an average engineer would have maybe taken like 90 minutes or so for this. So uh, and pretty much like the token cost of this is extremely low, so you're leveraging all of this through the black box agent, through the CLI. uh, Here we have also sonnet 4. You can pick any model that you want. uh, let's take a look closer on what happened here. We have the user that wants to, instead of just have open PR, we want to create and merge PR. What this is letting you do right now is, if you have services that initiate a deploy based on a PR that is merged, you're having the agent right now do direct releases on your services, but just by simply having this button right here. So if you're happy with this PR, you can just press it once. It takes like a couple of seconds, and then this initiated a deploy on one of your services. So uh, we're going to take a closer look at this one. This is a bit of a longer task. So this had like some ugly borders. We didn't want to show those borders. It fully fixed this. Let's take a look at this one. Uh, yeah, we wanted to have the same styling whenever we click on this. This was fully implemented. And let's take a new task, for instance, right now. Um, we're going to tell it like these are not really what we want. So in the section, start your first task, the demo cards have, we're going to tell it like this. So I actually want it like this. No, not like this. So where we have this color, instead remove those for those cards. Okay, so we're gonna just send it right here, just to give you a sense of how easy it is to launch different tasks. Right now, this one is just right now done. So we're gonna see it's gonna be extremely fast. This is a pretty quick one, nothing too complex. Let's try to send it also something else that's even more interesting. Um, let's wait for a minute. Okay, so let's see here. SMS. Okay, this is the phone number. We're gonna tell it, I want, when a task is done, just like there is SMS notification, I want it to trigger a phone call and make this optional by having a switch for users to turn it on and off. So actually what we're going to do in this example, we're going to add this functionality. We're going to create and merge it as a PR. We're going to wait, like probably the service will get triggered in a few minutes. So we're going to wait for it and we're going to fully test it out right now. So it takes typically a couple of minutes once the implementation is done. Let's take a look at this one. This is complete. So we're going to do this right now, creating and merging this PR. There we go. We just have it right now. Okay, this is done. We're going to tell it to update. Here we want to know which ones have been merged. Yeah, maybe we can have it like in the side navigation. We can show a data like merge, 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 right? This would give us some good indications. I want the side navigation history item to show the data whether the task has been merged or not. So here we're giving it an example where we want to get this data, just like there's the timestamp, just like there is a timestamp display. I want to show something for those that have been merged. So here we just wanted to also have like something that can tell us that this has been merged, yes or no. Here we're doing the phone trigger. This one was about what? Yeah, okay. This is for the phone call. Okay, this is still in progress, so we're gonna wait for this one to finalize. Let's see something else. So also one thing to show right here is that you can actually fully review the diff that was done. This was actually what we asked it to do. So this is the file that we changed. Okay, this is about 2 minutes. We're gonna tell it also one last thing. There we go. We just merged this thing right now when we were on the call, when we were on this here. So actually we just modified this color. This is a very small thing, but you just saw it fully because we did a create and merge. We just did it right now. So let's take a look how it looks over here. We just changed right now something while we were on this live session. So as you see, it took like less than a couple of minutes. Now we're gonna take a look at the phone call. Ideally, this should get done pretty quick. This is just a display of like flag display right here. Yeah, I'm trying to see if there's anything else that we can think about related to this task right now. Yeah, let's try this here. I want to add the option for users to send a single task on multiple CLIs, BLACKBOX, Claude, Codex, and Gemini. So we're gonna add this feature where in one click, you can send all of them at once. So we're just sending this right now. This is still ongoing. Okay, let's take a look at this one. And we have a new one. So we're going to show you this. This is a brief overview on the kind of capabilities that are available to you directly from the remote agent with the BLACKBOX CLI, the Cloud Code, Gemini, Codex as well, and we'll be showing some more examples on as well.